16 Runaway Pumpkins, written by Dianne Ochiltree, illustrated by Annie Sophie Lanquinton. To my Grandma Fairbanks, who did everything with laughter and love, D.O. For Elsa, Rosalie, and their daddy, Patrice, A.S.L. It's harvest time in the pumpkin patch. Sam tells Gramps, "Hooray! I'll pick you lots of pumpkins. I'll fill up my wagon today." Sam finds one tiny pumpkin, then a plump one. Sam has two. She sees two more under a vine, playing peekaboo. Sam dumps them into the wagon. She counts the pumpkins there. 4 of them thump bump together. There's plenty of room to spare. She plunks 4 chunky pumpkins next to the other 4. 8 pumpkins thunk clunk together. Can Sam double her pumpkin score? Sam stacks 8 lumpy pumpkins on the 8 pumpkin clump inside. 16 pumpkins slam jam together. It's one jiggly wiggly ride. The wagon wobbles, the wagon tips. Pumpkins slip out from behind. "Look out!" Sam shouts as each pumpkin becomes the hill-rolling bowling ball kind. Now whoosh, the pumpkins pick up speed. They tumble, they rumble, they glide. They're on a roll, out of control, on a stump-bumping, ditch-jumping slide. 8 pumpkins skate past Gramps' garden gate. 4 dash through the open front door. Sam runs after runaway pumpkins that skid on Gramps' clean kitchen floor. Gramps winks at Sam. "Don't worry," he says, "about a crap pumpkin or 2. He hands Sam a spoon and an old flannel shirt. "I know just what we can do." Pots and pans rattle, egg beaters fly. In double time, Sam helps bake pie after pie. Sam's family comes to the table. Forks are raised with a happy sigh. Then Sam and her kin dig in with a grin. They all feast on Sam's pumpkin pie. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the book, please like it and check out the other awesome books on my page, Reading Rhino.